Emergencies don't wait for the right time or place to strike. If you have sudden pain in your chest or break a bone, you have to get to an emergency room quickly. Neighbors Emergency Center is there to provide the community with full service care, and with several locations, it can be more convenient to get to. Great Day's Christina Cooker went to their Pearland location to learn more.
Tasir, tell people when they see a Neighbors Emergency Center what they will get.
Well, Christina, thank you for having me on this morning.
Yeah.
For us in Houston, we're blessed to have the greatest medical center in the world. But because the city is sprawling so much and it's grown so much outside of the epicenter, to get that medical center type attention, it's been really hard to do. But I think what we did was fill that void in the market to bring the best physicians, ER physicians, to give that type of trauma type ability. I want patients to feel the zen when they walk in.
You do.
I want people to feel the fact that it's going to be okay.
Right.
And Neighbors is providing that void in the market, a boutique service really available for everyone.
Right, and so emergencies obviously happen everywhere, and like you said, you're all over Pearland, Pasadena, Baytown, Kingwood, Crosby, Porter. You really are spanning all around Houston, and people can come in here, they can see this and know that they're not going to be turned away, right?
Right.
Because you guys cover everything.
Yes.
All right, I'm going to take a little tour, and
Okay,
I'll be
please.
back.
Perfect.
All right, so Lauren, you used to be a nurse.
I did.
In a big hospital.
I was.
See, we kind of know the big difference between, you know, a place like this and a place like that, but how are they different? How is Neighbors different from like an urgent clinic?
Sure, that's a good question, and I think that for the general public, a lot of times that can be confusing. We're not really used to seeing ERs outside of a hospital, particularly nestled in your communities where, you know, they're close and easy drive, easily accessible. I would say probably some of our biggest differences are our scope of services. Urgent cares can provide, you know, different levels of kind of basic primary care services. You know, really think of it as just taking that ER out of the hospital and putting it in the community. So heart attacks, life-threatening things they can take care of, bone breaks, but even, you know, simple things where, hey, there's nowhere to go. A lot of urgent cares have limited hours.
And this is 24/7.
24/7, 365. Without exception. So holidays, weekends, you know, we're always here for the community. So you can be sure that you're getting a physician with experience in the ER, nurses with experience in the ER, that they're always going to be open and that they have the ability to take care of life-threatening illnesses.
Well, I think a big part of it too is your experience. Like, you come in, you want to be taken care of, and here you have it. It's almost like a hotel. It's really nice.
Yeah, I mean, I think kind of one of the biggest perks is not just the convenience, but it's really making the experience a better experience. We really want people to feel comfortable and want their families to feel comfortable. You know, so we really try to cater to that and, you know, use more of a concierge, more of a hospitality approach to healthcare.
Yeah, I mean, the last thing anybody wants to do when you don't feel good is to be waiting forever. And then not only that, once you are seen, then there's more waiting. Like here it says you get quick results, usually within 30 minutes, and you've got ultrasounds, x-rays, CT scans, stuff that normally takes weeks to get answers for.
Because we're really concentrating only on emergency medicine, we're not sharing resources with multiple departments. You know, most of our patients have the results they need within 30 minutes to an hour.
When people walk away, they can feel like, okay, I know what I got and I know what I'm going to pay for, and you guys kind of walk them through that.
Sure. Yeah, so I mean, I think we strongly believe that the patient's experience, it doesn't stop here in the ER. We expect that they have the best experience they can have here and that it's a quality experience, but we understand that dealing with insurance and the financial aspect of healthcare is very challenging. You know, we really wanted to take that piece of the challenge for our patients and create a department. And so we created a patient advocacy department that really walks the patient through on the back end. And so these patients can call and, you know, talk about what to expect financially, go over their estimation of benefits, really talk about what does it mean I have a copay, I have a deductible, I have a co-insurance. And so we can really talk about what their financial options are and how to deal with that.
Yeah. Neighbors Emergency Centers, you surround yourself with fantastic people, doctors and nurses, but also the Altus Foundation. Tell us a little bit about that.
Well, my sister, Dr. Tamina Badar, came with an idea. We have so many physicians in our network. We have around 2,000 physicians. And she said, why can't we give our time within our own facilities to give back to the community? We've now $6 million, we've given in free health care in the last 4 years due to our foundation event that's coming up on December 7th.
Awesome, and that just shows you really do care, right?
Yes.
So if you guys at home, you want to be a part of this and give back, you've got a gala coming up, you said December 7th, one of the biggest fundraising events in the city?
Yes.
Yeah, and
yes.
you invite people out?
Well, I'd love for y'all to come out. We have very limited seats. Last year we had Tyra Banks, and this year we have Flo Rida, Jeannie Mai, Wayne Brady, and many local celebrities to come out. But more importantly, we want to give back. And this year our team has done a great job. And what we accomplished last year with many patients, we hope to do more of the same this year.
Awesome. So December 7th, guys, 6:30 p.m. at Houston Hilton's America. For more information, you go to houstongala.com.